Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 4, Week 4, Day 1. Listen as I say 3 words. Side, night, rope. Side and night have the long I sound in the middle. Rope does not have the I sound. Which word doesn't belong? Rope does not belong. Listen as I say 3 words and think of the one which does not belong. Child, heap, might. Heap does not belong. Both, right, cried. Both does not belong. Night, green, sleep. Night does not belong. Paint, cake, flies. Flies does not belong. Boat, pie, road. Pie does not belong. And then last one second, let me get up there. Bide, lip, slight. Lip does not belong. Okay, so last week we learned about long O patterns. So I'll give you 3 seconds for these words. 3, 2, 1, coat. 3, 2, 1, snow. 3, 2, 1, toes. 3, 2, 1, no. 3, 2, 1, going. 3, 2, 1, grow. 3, 2, 1, coach. 3, 2, 1, robot. 3, 2, 1, hold. 3, 2, 1, soap. 3, 2, 1, told. Okay, so we're done with those for a little bit. Now we are working on the I card. The I card, it's called the 5 card, and it has I as in find, I as in my, I as in night, and I as in pie. Now you might have remembered IE being E, so it can be E or I. So this week it's I. Okay, here we go. I. Okay, here we go. I, sight, word, sight. I, remember it's I, not if. Find, word, find. I, word, my. Okay, so Y today we'll be saying I. I, word, lie. Okay, let's look at some of these. 3, 2, 1, I. And that's a really tricky one. I don't know why it says I, but we just have to memorize that pattern. 3, 2, 1, full. 3, 2, 1, sk. 3, 2, 1, it or I. 3, 2, 1, ch. 3, 2, 1, E. 3, 2, 1, and. 3, 2, 1, L or O. 3, 2, 1, E. 3, 2, 1, st. 3, 2, 1, A. 3, 2, 1, I. 3, 2, 1, ger. 3, 2, 1, A. 3, 2, 1, sin. 3, 2, 1, O. Okay, here we go. I, word, right. I, word, hi. Now you know why it says hi. Full, I, word, fly. Find, word, find. Okay, now we'll take turns. Your turn first. Word, sky. Remember why today says I. Together, I, word, hi. Your turn. Word, by. Together, I think this is just I. Like I. Okay, your turn. Word, tie. So IE today says I. Together, cur, I. Word, cry. Your turn. Word, sigh. Together, I. Word, oh, whoops. T. Word, night. Okay, so this one, hopefully you can do in your head. 3, 2, 1, lit. 3, 2, 1, light. So the IGH says I. You're just going to have to memorize that one. 3, So this is short sound. I. 3, 2, 1. Kid. 3, 2, 1. Kind. 3, 2, 1. Tie. 3, 2, 1. Toe. 3, 2, 1. Snow. 3, 2, 1. Toast. 3, 2, 1. Teach. 3, 2, 1. Green. 3, 2, 1. Paint. Okay, here's our sentence. And this is why. So the why says I today. Why did the child cry? Fluently. Why did the child cry? Okay, here's our next sentence. The plane can fly high. Remember, this is I. High in the sky. Together. The plane can fly high in the sky. Okay, next one. This is I. Bright, light came on at night. Let's read it together. The bright light came on at night. Okay, here's our story for today. Let's read it together. Meg is not shy. Here's some words. We'll see. This is the word caught. A-U says ah. So caught. 3, 2, 1. They. 3, 2, 1. Were. 3, 2, 1. Are. 3, 2, 1. You. 3, 2, 1. Many. 3, 2, 1. Wanted. 3, 2, 1. No. 3, 2, 1. Laugh. 3, 2, 1. Listen. Okay, so here we go. So we have caught, which is a sight word, and we have were. These are both sight words. Let's look for any of the I's. There's why and hiding. Okay, let's read this together. Meg's pals caught her with her head in dry sand. They were upset. Why are you hiding? Meg's pals asked. Okay, so this is Sid, it isn't side. There's no super E. So there's why, lie, fry, might, I. Oh, all three of those. Okay, ready? Here we go. Sid rested. He asked, why not lie in the sun? I might fry, replied Meg. So get really hot, right? Okay, let's look for our I, why, high, sights, I, side. Okay, here we go. Chaz ran up a tree. He asked, why not sit high in a tree? You can see so many sights. I will get stuck, sighed Meg. Okay. So we have flew, high, sky, why, fly, flight, cried. Lots of I's. Okay, here we go. Eve flew high in the sky. She asked, why not fly? My wings are not made for flight, cried Meg. Okay, so here we go. Child, no, shy, kind. There's laugh, shy, I. Okay, here we go. A child wanted to know, is Meg shy? Meg gave a kind laugh. I am not shy. last page. This is listen. I'm shy. Okay, here we go. Meg asked her pals to listen. I'm not shy, but my head feels best upside down. Then she stuck her head in the sand. Okay, let's look at our high frequency words. This is the word caught. Read the word with me. Caught. The word caught is C-A-U-H-T. Read the word with me. C-A-U-H-T. Let's write it in the air. C-A-U-G-H-T. He caught a big fish. A-U says awe. This is the word flew. Read the word with me. Flew. The word flew is spelled F-L-E-W. Spell the word with me. F-L-E-W. Let's write it in the air. F-L-E-W. E-W says ooh. The plane flew high in the sky. This is the word know. Read the word with me. Know. The word know is spelled K-N-O-W. Read the word. Spell the word with me. K-N-O-W. Let's write it in the air. K-N-O-W. Do you know my name? This is the word laugh. Read the word with me. Laugh. The word laugh is spelled L-A-U-G-H. Spell the word with me. L-A-U-G-H. Let's write it in the air. L-A-U-G-H. The joke made me laugh. Listen. This is the word listen. Read the word with me. Listen. The word listen is spelled L-I-S-T-E-N. Spell it with me. L-I-S-T-E-N. Let's write it in the air. L-I-S-T-E-N. Listen to this song. This is the word were. Read the word with me. Were. The word were is spelled W-E-R-E. Spell the word with me. W-E-R-E. Let's write it in the air. W-E-R-E. We were cold at night. Okay, let's look at this last part. See and saw are two forms of the same verb. To see means to look at. We use the present tense verb see to tell what we are looking at now. We also use see to tell what several people are looking at. When we talk about one other person who's looking at something, we add an S. So when it's just us, we say, I see a big bug. But when we're talking about Joe, Joe sees a big bug. He sees a big bug. Joe and Max see a big bug. Okay? So if it's myself, you see, I see, we see, they see, Joe and Max see. But when it's he, she, or a name, it sees. Okay, so let's look at this. Okay, so when we're talking about something in the past, we say saw. We don't say seed. Tim saw a big bug last week. So saw is what we say instead of see. I saw a big bug yesterday. Okay, so let's look at these. I see a bug now, or I saw a bug now. It'd be see. We use see when it's happening now. Yesterday we see a bug or saw a bug. It would be saw, because that's in the past. They blank an anthill last week. Well, that's in the past, so we'd say they saw an anthill last week. This was yesterday, and then this is now. The dog blank a grasshopper now. So now would be see. The dog sees a grasshopper now. We wouldn't say see, we'd say sees. Okay, so once more, we say see or sees when it's happening now. We say saw when we saw something in the past. Okay, everyone, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.